It was an amazing movie. Just like this session, it was an amazing session. And what else? Lazy, for sure. I'm very lazy. All the other times it was just continuous, like one class, then second class, no break at all. When you want to be really fluent in English, then you need to practice speaking in English.
Correct.
I suggest that you can just take one small topic. It can be anything, your school, your office, even your laptop, or anything, your favorite color, maybe. And then you can just try to speak on that topic for 2 to 3 minutes, like whatever comes in your mind, just speak it out. And in that way, I think that your mind will become more comfortable with the English language, and in that way, your English spoken skills will improve. So that is my suggestion.
Okay, great. Another personal question is that how will you describe yourself with the three words? First word I have already chosen confident person. Second or third you have to choose it.
So first is confident. Second would be humorous, I would say, because I think I have a good sense of humor. And what else? Lazy, for sure. I'm very lazy.
Everyone is lazy, I would say. I am also. Until unless you will not get, someone force you to do that. Until
Yeah.
unless you will not get up by your bed and do that thing. So,
Yeah.
okay, it's a common problem.
Hmm.
Okay, so okay, another question. Your aspects, like when you got.
I think it was in 2021 when I was in seventh grade, and wait, okay, yeah, it was August 2021. Because of the online classes, my eyes just started getting weaker and weaker, and then I had to get my glasses to get a proper vision.
You were using also too much, phones and all.
Because of the online classes, we were just engaged on our phones and devices all the time because you just have to sit through the classes for around 6 hours and just you're staring at your phone for continuous 6 hours. That will harm your eyes, right?
Okay. Continuous 6 hours you were having the online classes, no break.
From 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. Can you imagine that?
No, really, like I had also classes like since now, yeah, 9 to 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and then 2 to 5 o'clock. So we will having a 5 minute, 10 minute break, but continuously it's impossible. Yeah, that's why I think you got your lost your
we
vision.
just had we just had one 10 minutes break at around 10 a.m. and that was for our breakfast and that's it. All the other times it was just continuous, like one class then second class, no break at all.
Oh my God, great job you have done here. Seriously, in this age.
So what else should we talk about? hmm I don't really have anything on my mind.
Okay, there is a one word like no Arundhati. I think I have heard somewhere Arundhati ki kahani and something like that.
uh,
Are you aware of that?
Yes, I am very aware of that. I think there were two horror movies. One was Arundhati Ek Anokhi Kahani, or the second one was
Ha.
Arundhati Ka Badla, or something like that. They were two sequels of the movies, and I think it was released in 2009. I even watched those movies. They were horror movies.
Do you like horror movies?
No, not much. I don't like horror movies, but I love thriller and mystery movies.
Okay, so what last movie you have watched it?
What was the last movie? Hmm. I don't really watch movies nowadays. Earlier, I was very fond of watching movies, but now I've grown out of it. I think the last movie that I watched in the theaters was Super 30.
Super 30. Arey, it was in 2020 or 2020? Yeah, 2020. I think.
2019.
Yeah, something like that. That time I was in a 12th, yeah, 12th. And there is a very interesting story behind that movie. Like I haven't been in a theater. That was in my phone. Even that at that time I don't have my personal phone, my friend phone. and my exam was near, like my board exam near to me.
Yeah.
And would you not believe it? Like what I used to do, I used to watch that movie full. Okay, I waste 2 or 2.5 hours, and I cry, get motivation to study, and
Yeah.
whole night I used to do study. Next day again I sleep, and
Oh.
again same cycle. Watch again same movie, same crying, same motivation, and same study.
Oh.
So that movie helps me a lot. And I was like, how can I say that? Not much, but yeah, that giving me, booster. I don't know.
Hmm.
Anyhow, it was giving me the booster, and yeah, that helped me a lot to studying in my 12th class and getting a good marks in my 12th board. So yeah, there is an interesting story of that. So I really love that movie, and the story it's also based off the real story. So that
Yeah.
connected a lot.
Hmm. It was an amazing movie. Just like this session, it was an amazing session.
I don't know. Like I haven't done much session, but you have a quite good experience doing such kinds of sessions. So you can say that how was it? And I was very nervous because as I saw your fluency and also I thought, oh my God, I'm just doing going to do my bejati. But yeah,
It was an
but yeah,
amazing
I think
It was an amazing
okay.
session. Enjoyed it very much.
Acha, okay, so okay, there are some questions like what's your favorite? Okay, do you like to read books like apart from your academic books?
Yeah, I love to read books. I'm very fond of it.
What books?
I'm usually fond of reading these fictional books. I think I have read a lot of them. I have read many series.
Tell me some of the name.
Okay, so one was the Secret Seven series. It is by Enid Blyton, and I think the last book that I read was And Then There Were None by Agatha Christie.
Okay, I think you must also read Harry Potter.
Yeah, I have.
Because all I have seen most of the non-fiction, sorry, fiction book readers, they used to start with the Harry Potter. So that's why I said I have watched the series, but not have read the books. I think three, four series I have watched it. Session, yeah.
Okay.
And I am the like non-fiction lovers books like self-help motivation. I'm not into the stories and novel and all. But
Oh,
yeah, I wanted to try.
that's great.
Some of the some of my friend like suggested me like you should start with the Chetan Bhagat. Have you read any novel of him?
No, I haven't.
Okay, okay, fine. What's your favorite food?
A pizza, I would say.
Seriously? Okay,
Yeah.
quite strange for me, but yeah, fine. Okay, okay. As you said, like you used to sing. So, what is your favorite song till now, and who is your favorite singer?
I don't really have any favorite song as such, but I love to listen to pop music and everything. So I have many singers that I listen of pop music.
Even I don't know how to differentiate the music, pop music, and what I don't know what is the name. So, like, give me example. Like, what is pop music?
So pop music is just it's just the general type of music that we usually hear. So it is the most generic music that we hear. So we have another things like pop rock that involves a little bit of what should I say, electric guitars and everything. Then we have proper rock, which uses like metal singers and everything. So there are many genres.
Example of the song, like pop music. Any song example?
Um, Pop song. Shape of You. Have you heard that song, Shape of You?
I don't listen English song. Okay.
It was very popular during 2018 or something.
There was the one my friend from Myanmar. Okay.
Oh,
She have taught me one song. She is my best friend since more than 2 years. So she have taught me one English song because she always used to sing, and I am the person only just listening the lyrics and trying to find the meaning. But I'm not able to sing. So she have taught me one song that "Love Me Like You Do,"
yeah, Love
and
Me.
that
Yeah, it's
song.
also a pop song.
Okay, so she have just introduced me with the English song. Otherwise, no, I Don't know. I just like it, but I don't listen. I just listen Hindi songs sometimes. And yeah, that bhajans, Hanuman Chalisa and all.
It was an amazing session.
It's
I
okay.
loved talking to you.
Yeah, it was seriously great. And again, I got some boost. And like by seeing you at this age, you are doing really amazing job. So have a bright future ahead. And thank you for coming. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.